Hello friends, this is Singh. In this video I'm gonna talk about two people, the two persons who are involved in shooting video. First person is that a common person who lives at home with a family but loves to shoot videos. But at the same time he doesn't want to spend a lot of money on video cameras or DSLRs, who is at home, who wants to shoot videos of his kids, of his family members, any special occasion in the house, just like birthdays or small get-togethers. But he doesn't want to burn his pocket by spending a lot of money on a video camera or DSLR cameras, any sort of video recording cameras. So there is an option for him or her, and I'm going to talk about that option. And let me come to the second person, who is that person who is active on social websites like Instagrams, Facebook, and above all YouTube. So whenever a new YouTuber joins YouTube, there is always a big question mark that what type of camera he should go for, whether he should use his phone for video recordings or should he go for some professional type of camera. The new YouTuber, he has a huge question mark in his mind that what should he do regarding video recordings. You know, if he or she travels to hills, he wants something which has a zoom facility also. And just like me, I'm also a fresher in this YouTube business. This is my second year seriously shooting videos for my viewers. And initially, I searched a lot on Google and checked so many videos on YouTube, and I was a bit confused. But finally I zeroed on one camera, that was GoPro Hero 8 action camera. So I've been using this camera for the last 1 year, and its performance worldwide, everybody knows its performance is above par. But after 1 year, I'm having a lot of problems. It isn't starting, So there is one very good option by one of the best company in the world. And for the last 1 month, I have been going through a lot of Googling and YouTubing. And finally, friends, this is the beautiful camera I'm talking about. And this is made by Sony, as Sony is worldwide renowned company, and they have really come out with such a beautiful and small camera. It's so tiny and small, lightweight, that your smartphone is longer than this Handycam, and it shoots high definition videos which are perfectly good for YouTubers or any other social website video shooters. And I'm very much impressed that Sony has introduced this camera 4 years ago with such a technical superiority and very good high-end features which only comes with high-end cameras. So the technology they have used is so amazing, and I am already a big fan of science. Look at the wonders of science. It comes straight into your jacket pocket right here, and you can start walking or running, and whenever you want to shoot a video, just take it out and you can start shooting videos. All you have to do is flip this window and it starts recording. So I'm going to check out its features, and then we'll go out at different time of the day and shoot some videos and check out how the performance of this camera is. Is it really worth buying, or is it just a hype? But believe me, when you hold it, you feel that there is a quality in your hand. This small but beautiful camera comes with Exmor CMOS sensor, which is one of the latest technology used in beautiful and expensive cameras, but Sony has provided in this tiny little friend of ours to help us shoot good videos in high definition. And in still photography, if you want to click a picture or a selfie, it has 9.2 megapixel camera in it, which really gives good pictures, believe me. And I'm gonna show you the sample of that picture taken with this camera. Then there is the zoom facility, which is right here under your forefinger. If you push it on the left, it zooms in, and on the right, it zooms out. And it has 60x clear image zoom lens placed in this beautiful camera. And wide angle lenses, they are 26.8 mm, which is a good coverage area with this tiny small camera. And you can shoot your videos in 50 Mbps high bit rate, which is also a good feature of this camera. And you can record your videos in MP4. This model is Sony HDR-CX405, and I'm amazed by the price and the features they have loaded in this camera. The price unbelievably is so low that you will immediately buy it. This is the compact box in which this comes, and there are some accessories along with this camera. Let me show you the accessories. I've opened the box and took out the camera, inserted one battery in it, and amazingly, this box was packed 4 years ago and the battery still works. That is the biggest surprise. And they have given another extra battery with this, and I'm very much impressed. At such a low price, 2 batteries. What a backup. And it comes with HDMI cable to transfer your videos directly to your TV monitors. And then there is this power cable, and it comes with adapter right in the middle, and it comes with extension cord, because they have permanently given us one charging cord attached to the camera, and there is a tiny little pocket to insert this right here. It's so convenient, it doesn't bother you at all, and the cable is right here hidden. And if you want to plug it, then they have given you extra long this power charging cable. So all the accessories are very useful and handy, and that's all you need to shoot the videos from this camera. Just insert the battery and the SD card. And let me come to the SD card. There is one SD card which is 16 GB inside this box, but you cannot shoot good videos at 1080p with that 16 GB memory card. So you have to buy another one over 50 GB. What I have learned from YouTube and Googling, that if you use higher than 50 GB, then only you will be capable of shooting 1080p videos. This is the SD card which comes along with the camera, but this is not good enough to shoot high definition videos in 1080p. This Handycam comes with Zeiss lens, which is, one of the world's best camera lens manufacturing company. Just flip it open when you want to record videos, and it is in standby mode. You press this button and it starts recording, and you press this button, it is in standby mode. And there are 2 buttons on it. One is the menu one. You can press it and do the setting according to your needs: shooting mode, camera mic, image quality, size, playback function, edit, and setup. There are so many features to use on this Handycam, you can go back to the menu mode again, and recording mode is now in standby mode. This is the microphone speaker, I guess. You open this lid cover and inside you will find HDMI outlet, and over here the SD card goes in. You just have to stick it in by pressing hard and a click sound comes, and I have used 64 GB SD card to get 1080p video quality. On the bottom part of the Handycam, this slot is for your selfie stick. Over here you press this out and the lid opens, and inside is the battery case. So you can insert here battery. You press this blue button out and the battery comes out. See, it pops out. And again you just shove it in and it automatically locks the battery inside. So no danger of losing the battery if in case the lid is left loose. On the side of the Handycam, there is a switch to close and open the lens cover. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. See, the lens cover comes out automatically, and push it down, the lens cover opens. The camera only works when you open the lens cover. So this is also a good feature given by Sony to protect the lens from dust and other damages. This battery is 1240 mAh powerful. I'm directly facing the sun. Sun is shining brightly today, and I just wanted to check out the video quality when you are facing the sun. On the screen I can see the video quality is quite impressive. Both the plants are 20 feet away from me. This is the lemon tree, small one. Look at the fruit of the lemon tree. Great. Chopper is flying away. Let me try to catch it if I can. It's far away. I can't see it on the screen. Oh yes, there it is. Wow, lovely. It's really far away from me, but still I have captured it on the Sony CX405. Great job. While zooming things in and out, you have to be really steady, you don't push the camera to the extreme at one go. Slowly you zoom in the things and you will capture the video crispy and clear. This house is almost 150 meters away from my house. I'm standing 15 feet away from this banana plant, and I'm gonna zoom in on the banana fruit. They look beautiful. Beautiful color, and the quality of the camera is excellent. Very impressive. I'm just jogging. A farmer is working in his fields 400 meters approximately from me, and I'm gonna zoom in what he's doing. Yeah, walking through his fields, and this is the maximum zoom I can apply. school bus is dropping some kids after the school. Wow, it can catch the video of kids sitting in the bus. Nice, right? Wonderful. Another kid in the backyard. I'm riding my mountain bike, and let's check out the stabilization while riding a mountain bike, how this camera performs, how the image or video stabilization performs. This is the side view. Now let's pedal off to some bumpy ride. On metalled road, but over here the ride is smoother than the metalled road, ironically. And I'm facing the sun, so it's gonna be another test for this camera while riding a bike and facing the sun. Let's see the video quality that comes out. Some potato farming right here, beautiful ridges. Now the sun is exactly behind my back, and this way also we are gonna check the video quality. What is the difference between facing sun and sun behind you? This is my mango orchard, 2-year-old. Fortunately, there are several beautiful birds which live in my surroundings. This is the beauty of the zoom cameras. From a distance, you are not going to scare the birds, and you will get your purpose solved by making a video of these beautiful and lovely creation of Mother Nature. Look at this tiny one. It was around 100 feet away, and this Handycam has captured the video of this beautiful bird so efficiently. Another one singing a song. And this is me enjoying the sunset. Sunset is looking so beautiful. Let's zoom in. Another gorgeous moment of the evening. Sunset in my surrounding is really beautiful, whether it's cloudy or clean, clear skies. Hun aao mere ko dod ke. Run. Good girl. Now become a butterfly.
Butterfly? बच्चे आ गई है?
Good. This scooter is approximately 30 meters away from me, and by zooming in the night without any external light, I can read. Similarly, this house is 50 meters away from my location, and look at the camera capabilities. It has shot that fencing. I want to drive full satisfaction. That's why I've taken daytime, indoor, outdoor, and nighttime shots by this Handycam, and it's proving its capabilities and abilities to shoot at various times. So far so good. I'm pretty much satisfied with this little genius, and for the price of $250, you cannot ask for more from this machine. It's a wonderful camera,